Good morning, boys and girls. It's fluency counting time. And so this is option 2 for today, and we're group counting. We're going to start by threes, and we're going to count forwards and backwards to 30. All right? To 30 and from 30. Are we ready? All right, watch my hands. Ready and count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Stop. 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Stop. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 15, 12, 9, 12, 15, 18. Awesome work, boys and girls. Now we're going to count by fours. And so, boys and girls, when we count by fours, we're going to go up to 36. So we're going to go forward and backwards. Watch my fingers. Ready, go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Good job. 32, 28, 24, 20, 16, 12, 8, 4, 8, 12, 16, 12, 8, 12, 16, 20. Awesome work. Have a great day.